like to invite to deliver the report from Chairman of Conference, Associate Professor Dr. Kandra Fahmi. Please give a warm applause.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear distinguished guests and participants, ladies and gentlemen, my honorable for Ministry of Agriculture Republik Indonesia, Rector of Andalas University, Dean of Faculty Agriculture Technology. We are delegates to welcome you to the International Conference on Sustainable Agriculture and Biosystem at Padang, West Sumatra, Indonesia. This conference is organized by Faculty of Agriculture Technology, Andalas University, in collaboration with Faculty of Plantation and Agrotechnology, University Teknologi Mara, Malaysia, and supported by University of Hawaii at Manoa, Honolulu, USA, Kyushu University, Japan, University Putra Malaysia, Malaysia, EPB University, Indonesia. ISAP 2020 is the third conference held by Faculty Agriculture Technology, Andalas University. The theme of the conference in this year is Emerging the Trend is Sustainable Agriculture and Biosystem Practice. Although this conference is carried when the world faced the COVID-19 pandemic, however, it did not reduce the enthusiasm of researchers to participate in this event. Through this, we are proud to provide an appropriate platform for discussion and information transfer of current research, new technological innovation, and practical application in disciplines relating to sustainable agriculture. 127 papers will be presented orally and drug foster presentation during this conference. The schedule for oral presentation and abstract for all presentation are printed in this booklet. Selected papers presented during this conference are being prepared to be published in EOP Proceeding and the Open Agriculture Journal. The insight and hard work for both technical and organizing committees have made this conference possible. Each member of the committee made a significant contribution toward the success of the event, and we thank everybody for their valuable support. Finally, on behalf of the conference advisory board and organizing committee, I would like to express our sincere thanks and appreciation to the Rector of Andalas University, Ministry of Agriculture Republik Indonesia, all participants, college, keynote speaker, as well as UTM for their indispensable support in organizing this scientific meeting. Thank you for attention.
Thank you to Associate Professor Dr. Kandra Fahmi for the report.
Excellencies, our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite to giving welcoming address from Dean of Agricultural Technology, Associate Professor Dr. Ferry Arlius. Please give a warm applause.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to all of us, ladies and gentlemen. I congratulate all the participants on the invitation and participate at this event. The International Conference on Sustainable Agriculture and Biosystem is an annual event held by the Faculty of Agricultural Technology, Andalas University. This time, this is our third conference. Even we have the COVID-19 pandemic, but nevertheless, we hope that this conference will keep going and we get sharing to each other. Faculty of Agricultural Technology has considered the issue of sustainable agriculture and biosystem to be very essential for the agricultural development as well as for the country's development in agriculture. As we know, the global population is rising rapidly. World agriculture faces a critical challenge of producing and distributing sufficient food, feed, and fiber to meet increasing demand in condition of climatic changes and scarce natural resources. Innovative policy and new farming approach based on strong scientific are needed to tackle the challenge of increasing agriculture production while also meeting the environmental, economic, and social goals. In this meeting, we expect that the key concept of sustainable agriculture in increasing agricultural productivity and efficiency, promoting the sustainable use of natural resources without affecting the quality of soil, water, preserving the ecosystem, protecting the animal welfare, generating income for the farm, will allow long-term economic growth and enhancement of production capacity, along with being environmentally acceptable will be delivered. To respond those problems, ICSAP 2020 will play an important role and strategic position in mitigating the environment, applying the technology, social, and economic impacts in this country. Efforts have been made by many research groups with a broad interest centered on technology and management for the agriculture. I would like to thank very much, to give my all appreciation to the Ministry of Agriculture Republik Indonesia, for the minister that represented by the head of Agricultural Extension and Human Resource Development, Professor Dr. Dedi Nursamsi, and also for the rector of Andalas University, represented by Vice Rector for the Planning and Cooperation ever, and also to all the keynote speaker, and to our partner UITM and others university, also to the organizing committee who have spent their utmost effort to prepare and manage this event successfully. Let me conclude my remark by wishing our guests happiness, good luck, and great success at the conference. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
To Associate Professor Dr. Very Arlius for the welcoming address.
Excellencies, our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Secondly, we would like to invite to give a welcoming address from Director of Andalas University, Professor Dr. Yuliandri SHMH, which presented by Vice Rector for Planning and Cooperation Affairs of Andalas University, Dr. Hafizah Handa, Magister Sosial. Please give a warm applause.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and speakers. His Excellency Professor Dedi Nursamsi, the Head of Agriculture Extension and Human Resource Development, Ministry of Agriculture. Selamat pagi Pak Dedi.
Selamat pagi Pak.
Thank you so much for your availability for this conference.
Terima kasih.
Pak Dekan yang terhormat, and also our distinguished speakers from International Far East University. I would like to mention our key speakers for this international conference, Dr. Everson, Professor Aniza Yusuf from University Putra Malaysia, Professor Takashi Okayasu from Japan, Kyushu University Japan, Dr. Ferry Arlius, Dr. Desrial from IPB University. Selamat datang Pak Desrial. Associate Professor Muhammad Rusdi Zaini from University Teknologi Mara. Thank you so much for your available time for this international conference. First of all, I think it is important for us to say Alhamdulillah, praise to God, because this event has been started and hopefully will finish for the good of all of us. First of all, I would like to say apology from Pak Rector because he is not able to attend this morning, and also regard to Professor Dedi because Pak Rector is in another occasion this morning, Pak Dedi. Very sorry to not been able to attend this conference, not to been able to welcome Pak Dedi. And then on behalf of the Rector, I would like to recognize and appreciate the team led by Pak Kandra, supervised by Pak Ferry Arlius. This is a very great occasion for us, Andalas University, and of course, this will contribute to our performance in research and also our contribution to the society. Hopefully, this international conference will come with various recommendations and also, of course, policy in agricultural sustainability and biosystem. And we know that our future of Indonesia, for me, from my point of view, is depends on our management in agriculture as our resources, very important resources for our future sustainability development in Indonesia. So this is a very important occasion for not only for Andalas University, but also for the knowledge, for the contribution to the knowledge for Indonesia, as well as for the world today. I think that's all our remark, and also we would like to ask Professor Dedi on behalf of the Agriculture Minister to open this conference for all of us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you to Dr. Hafizal Handra, Magister Sosial.
Over the next program, we would like to present March of Andalas University.
Universitas Andalas, lembaga perguruan tinggi, sarana penempaan manusia Indonesia seutuhnya yang menjadi harapan tanah air tercinta. Universitas Andalas, perguruan tinggi masaku, selalu bergerak maju menuju tercapainya kesejahteraan untuk kejayaannya bangsaku Indonesia. ikut serta membina pengembangan dengan diterima perguruan tinggi, pendidikan, penelitian juga pengabdian pada masyarakat. Itulah bidang karya universitas. Universitas Andalas, Universitas Andalas, kami bersama denganmu ikut mengiringi persada Nusantara, tujuan dan pujaan. Terimalah pengabdian dan pengawalan ilmu kami.
It is now my deep pleasure to introduce my Ministry of Agriculture Republic of Indonesia, His Excellencies Dr. Haji Syahrul Yassin Limpo, SMH, which represented by Professor Dr. Insinyur Dedi Nur Syamsi, Magister Agriculture, to deliver keynote speech. And afterward, we would like to request the representative Ministry of Agriculture Republic of Indonesia to officially open the International Conference on Sustainable Agriculture and Biosystem 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Ministry of Agriculture Republic of Indonesia. Please give a warm applause.
Thank you very much, Master of Ceremony. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Distinguished Rector of Andalas University, distinguished Dean of Faculty of Agricultural Technology, distinguished speakers and panelists, distinguished all of participants, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I would like to inform you that Minister of Agriculture could not join this important webinar because he has another meeting, so that he asked me to send his warm greeting to all participants and deliver his opening remark. I am delighted to join you and deliver my opening remarks at this special event, the International Conference on Sustainable Agriculture and Biosystem, ICSEB, with the theme Emerging New Trends in Sustainable Agricultural and Biosystem Practices. My appreciation goes to the work by Faculty of Agricultural Technology, Andalas University, for organizing this important meeting. At this unprecedented time due to COVID-19 pandemic, we commend the role of academia in promoting and supporting sustainable development, particularly in the agricultural sector. Distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, as the coronavirus disease 19 pandemic sweeps across the world, there are heightened uncertainties in the global economy. The impact of pandemic COVID-19 changed the global strategic environment through the disruption on food supply, decreasing agricultural product demand, food crisis, threat, and global food export restriction. The global economic downturn and the spirit of COVID-19 pandemic in the country also have an impact on the national food security, such as disruption of agricultural production due to restriction on the movement of people or labor. Decreasing people's purchasing power on agricultural product, disruption of food distribution due to the implementation of large-scale social restriction and limited area closure. Potential for food crisis and threat to the availability of national food stocks from imports such as wheat, sugar, beef, garlic, and soybean. In order to overcome the pandemic's impact across the food system and keep providing food for 268 million Indonesians, the government of Indonesia, through the Ministry of Agriculture, continue the implementation of the program and policies, increase the productivity of staple food, facilitate food distribution, facilitate access to transportation, maintain price stability, and develop buffer stock and market intervention or market operation, etc. In the new normal era, the Ministry of Agriculture has developed a set of strategy to increase the food availability called 5 ways of action, which focuses our efforts primarily on 5 areas. First, increasing production capacity through expansion of new cultivation areas for strategic commodities, with approaches both intensification and extensification. Second, local food diversification through optimal utilization of humian and marginal land to produce local healthy food as part of our commitment to the decade of family farming. Third, strengthening the food reserve and logistics system through the development of food reserves of community, regional, as well as national food logistics system for stabilization of supply and prices. Fourth, development of modern agriculture through promotion of agricultural mechanization, smart farming and digitalization, food estates, and farmer corporation. Fifth, encourage the threefold agricultural export movement. We call it GRA-TX, by increasing volume, variety, and shipping frequency of export commodities, encourage the growth of new exporters and export-oriented, and increase the number of trading partner countries through collaboration and by harmonizing quarantine protocols, both bilateral and multilaterally. These efforts cannot be done slowly by the Ministry of Agriculture. In this regard, we believe we can achieve greater impact through synergy and collaborative work with all stakeholders. We believe that achieving food security in Indonesia will contribute the regional and global food security. In terms of resource, through inclusive collaboration, our effort will be supported by national and regional budget, private sector funding and banking. For the technical support side, we collaborate closely with the Ministry of Villages, Ministry of Cooperative, local government, state-owned enterprises, BUMN, private sector, as well as academia and university. For the supervision or control function, we work together with representative BPK, KPK, APIP, etc. Distinguished guest participants, ladies and gentlemen. In closing, the theme of year's ICSEB is emerging new trends in sustainable agriculture and biosystem practices, and this term obviously demonstrate and reaffirm the positive role of agricultural sector in this current new normal area. I wish you productive deliberation during your webinar, and I look forward to reading the outcome report from your deliberation. Distinguished quiz participants, ladies and gentlemen, with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, this international conference of ICB with term Emerging New Trends in Sustainable Agriculture and Biosystem Practices was open. Thank you very much for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you to Professor Dr. Insinyur Dedi Nursyamsi, Magister Agriculture, for the officially opening ceremony for this event.
Before we come to the next session, firstly, let us start this event by praying, so the event that we will hold on this day will run well without any obstacle at all. This session will be led by Bayu Pamungkas. To Bayu Pamungkas, time is yours. We do expect you to pray based on your individual belief.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
For the first, thanks for the time. My respect to all participants in this conference. I would like to invite you to pray together. We hope our event today can give the positive effect to our life, our environment, and our nation, of course. So let's begin by the prayer to saying Al-Fatiha. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ya Rasulullah ajma'in. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa ummatihi ila yaumal qiyamah. Ya Allah yang Maha Pengasih, Ya Allah yang Maha Berkuasa, hari ini kami melaksanakan event, Ya Allah. Kami memohon kepadamu, Ya Allah. Jadikanlah acara kami ini memberikan acara yang memberikan nilai-nilai positif untuk kehidupan kami, untuk lingkungan kami, untuk bumi ini, dan untuk bangsa kami semuanya. Ya Allah yang Maha Pengasih, yang Maha Penyayang, kami juga memohon kepadamu, Ya Allah, berikanlah kelancaran kepada acara kami ini, sehingga bisa berjalan dari awal sampai akhir, Ya Allah. Ya Allah yang Maha Berkuasa, kami juga memohon kepadamu, Ya Allah, berikanlah keberkahan untuk acara kami ini. Berikanlah keberkahan untuk event kami ini. Sehingga acara ini memberikan nilai-nilai positif untuk diri kami, untuk lingkungan kami, dan untuk bangsa yang Kau titipkan kepada kami ini, Ya Allah. Ya Allah yang Maha Berkuasa, kami juga memohon kepadamu, Ya Allah, angkatlah segera pandemi ini, Ya Allah, sehingga kami bisa beraktivitas dengan normal seperti sedia kala. Kami mohonkan kepadamu, Ya Allah, لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار والحمد لله رب العالمين. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya Dr. Insinyur Ferry Arlius MSD, Dekan Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian Universitas Andalas Padang. Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian Universitas Andalas Padang lahir dari adanya tuntutan perkembangan zaman, bagaimana penerapan teknologi di dalam bidang-bidang pertanian untuk mendapatkan hasil produksi yang lebih baik dan sesuai dengan kebutuhan masyarakat. Saat ini, Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian Universitas Andalas sudah berkembang menjadi satu fakultas baru yang mempunyai 3 jurusan, yaitu Teknik Pertanian, Teknologi Hasil Pertanian, dan Teknologi Industri Pertanian. Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian Universitas Andalas bertekad untuk menjadi fakultas yang terkemuka di dalam pengembangan teknologi, terutama teknologi informasi yang berhubungan dengan Agriculture 4.0 yang tentu saja ke depan akan sangat dibutuhkan oleh masyarakat.
Kami, Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian, sebagai salah satu wajah dari Universitas Andalas, selalu mengedepankan kualitas, penyesuaian, dan pengembangan program layanan untuk menciptakan generasi muda terbaik bangsa. Kami memiliki visi menjadi fakultas yang terkemuka dan bermartabat di ASEAN dalam pengembangan ilmu pengetahuan di bidang teknologi pertanian yang unggul dan inovatif pada tahun 2026. Pada program studi S1 di jurusan Teknik Pertanian terdapat 3 bidang kajian: Teknik Pasca Panen, Manajemen Mesin Pertanian, dan Teknik Sumber Daya Lahan dan Air. Untuk menyokong 3 bagian kajian tersebut, program studi S1 Teknik Pertanian mempunyai 6 labor termasuk bengkel. program studi S1 Teknologi Hasil Pertanian telah berdiri sejak tahun 1967, sewaktu masih berada di bawah Fakultas Pertanian Universitas Andalas. Pada program studi S1 Teknik Hasil Pertanian, saat ini terdapat 4 bidang peminatan. Teknologi dan rekayasa proses pangan atau hasil pertanian, kimia atau biokimia hasil pertanian dan gizi pangan, mikrobiologi dan bioteknologi pangan dan hasil pertanian, dan total quality control dan manajemen industri pertanian. Kami mempunyai misi menyelenggarakan pendidikan untuk pengembangan ilmu pengetahuan di bidang teknik pertanian dan biosistem, teknologi pangan dan pengolahan hasil pertanian, dan teknologi industri pertanian yang unggul untuk menghasilkan lulusan dengan kompetensi terbaik. Melaksanakan penelitian dasar dan terapan yang inovatif di bidang ilmu pengetahuan, di bidang teknik pertanian dan biosistem, teknologi pangan dan pengolahan hasil pertanian, dan teknologi industri pertanian untuk mendukung pembangunan dan pengembangan iptek serta peningkatan perolehan haki dan publikasi ilmiah untuk kejayaan bangsa. Mendharma baktikan ilmu pengetahuan di bidang teknik pertanian dan biosistem, teknologi pangan dan pengolahan hasil pertanian, dan teknologi industri pertanian yang dikuasai untuk kesejahteraan masyarakat. Meningkatkan kualitas tata kelola organisasi yang baik dan membangun jejaring dengan stakeholder yang efektif dan efisien. Pada program studi S1 Teknologi Industri Pertanian, terdapat 3 bidang kajian. Teknologi rekayasa proses pengolahan agroindustri, teknik sistem dan manajemen agroindustri, dan teknologi lingkungan agroindustri. Tujuan kami menghasilkan sarjana yang menguasai pengetahuan dasar di bidang studi masing-masing dan dapat bersaing di tingkat nasional, mampu mengikuti perkembangan pengetahuan yang menyangkut disiplin ilmu masing-masing, mampu menerapkan pengetahuan dan teknologi dari masing-masing disiplin ilmu dalam menjalankan peran dan fungsi untuk pembangunan, berkemauan dan mampu untuk bekerja efektif, serta memiliki kepekaan dan tanggap terhadap masalah yang dihadapi oleh masyarakat.
Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian Universitas Andalas bertekad untuk mendidik putra-putri terbaik bangsa menjadi ahli-ahli teknologi pertanian yang berwawasan lingkungan dan teknologi. Kita ingin lulusan kita menjadi pengusaha-pengusaha di bidang pertanian, petani-petani yang memanfaatkan ilmu dan teknologi untuk pengembangan pertanian Indonesia. Mudah-mudahan perkembangan pertanian Indonesia akan menjadi lebih maju teknologi pertanian.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, now we come to our main program, speech, which will be presented by our speakers, who will be led by our moderator, Associate Professor Dr. Henny Herwina. To Associate Professor Dr. Henny Herwina, please, the time is all yours.